Okay, we'll go to the Mune-Gatame now. Mune is your chest. Gatame is just holding him down. The kihon, the fundamental, begins right here. That's the most important part. Making sure that you're right on the target here. Hopefully you get his arm out, and then you just come right here underneath. Now you notice my sternum on his sternum. I torque it in this way here, and I have my knee up here. I'm putting pressure on his chest, and my head's down. I've seen guys just do this and just push down, and then when he moves, see, they just move around with it. Just like that. They're not grabbing anything. They have both hands on the tatami. They're focusing all of their pressure down right here, and they're moving. Or I'll take my knee and put it right on top of his arm like this, and I still have Mune-Gatame. And of course, you have Ude-garami here, you can hold that way, still Mune-Gatame. I can take my arm around here, bring it through, so I trap. You see how I trap his wrist? I grab in here, and then I keep the elbow up. Another way to do it, come underneath the head and lock just like you do kata-gatame, and then you want to turn so that the bone is right underneath the base of his skull here, and then you lift up. It's turning red.
That's my natural color.
But you see all the modifications? Just so long as you know the root of the technique is mune, so it's got the chest right on top of the chest. Which is what yoko-shiho-gatame is. Yoko-shiho just means controlling these 4 points. Mune-Gatame, you're controlling the same 4. So Mune-Gatame allows you lots more options. Why isn't it yoko-shiho-gatame? Because it's the side, but Mune, you're focusing on holding here. So you're pushing a lot. Yoko-shiho-gatame, you're more down here, this way here. Yeah, you could hold this, but it's not as effective, I think. So it's just a small adjustment. Could it be yoko-shiho? Sure, it could be. Whatever you want to call it. As long as you're holding them down and they can't move. So if you look at it, Kamishu-gatame is actually a Mune-Gatame because it's the upper. So they're all the Mune-Gatame holding the chest down. I've had people hold me down. See the arm here? See how I scissored it? And he held me down. I couldn't move. Just stretching out like that and then pushing down. Weight on top of there. Some do Mune-Gatame. They take and they grab the judogi, and now it looks like yoko-shiho-gatame, but it's actually Mune-Gatame because I'm holding this. Here's another Mune-Gatame. Here, so it doesn't hurt it. Here, now I'm just holding him down. Mune-Gatame. I'm holding his chest down. It's best to have the arm out, but sometimes it's not always going to work that way. For example, the arm is there, right? He's horsing around here. I just push the arm down, and I come in. I'm in Mune-Gatame. And of course, I like the Kintama grab. You push him down.
Ude-garami.
That's still Mune-Gatame. You have to look at it once again as situational. And sometimes they'll bounce. They bounce because they're trying to disrupt your breathing rhythm. Raise and lower, raise and lower, raise and lower. And my personal favorite, standing on top. Okay, so that's the Mune-Gatame. Focusing on the chest